Hi friends, in this video I will be showing you how to add OTP login on WooCommerce via your WhatsApp business number. This is very simple and fast. Once your customer visit on your website and they create a sign up option and they can add their mobile number and verify, then only they can create an account on your website. So this can prevent spam, etc. Like this, when they are going to log in also, we can use the OTP login functionality on your website. Like this, the customer can add their mobile number and they will get a WhatsApp message. As you are seeing on the screen, you can see they can add that WhatsApp number and they can verify it, and it will automatically log in to their my account area. So you need to buy this plugin. The link I will give on the description box, and you can upload this plugin on your WordPress plugin directory. You can upload the plugin, click on install now. Once the plugin is installed, you can activate the plugin and click on the settings area. You can see the plugin settings here. Click on the settings, and now you can see a WhatsApp API option. So you can go to the same website and get the API keys. You can sign up for free account. You can start it for free. So you can just get the API key. You can go to the API section and you can just click on the subscription area and you can just choose the free subscription. You can see here, just scroll down there and you can see the free plan. You can click on get started and you can just enable all this. You can accept the privacy policy and terms and condition, and you can start the free trial and go to the profile section again and click on the instances section. You can add a instruction. You can add the instances there and you can add a name and you can just add it, and you can scan with your WhatsApp mobile number. You can add your business WhatsApp. Once you scan your WhatsApp business, you will get a instance ID. Just copy it and paste it on the plugin settings and go to the WhatsApp API section and click on API access, and you can generate a free token. You can just copy that token and paste it on the plugin settings, and all other settings leave as it is. And you can also add the default country code and the message template, etc. You can customize it according to your requirement, and make sure to click on save settings, then only the changes will be take place. That's all. And we also created a video how to add order notifications for free, so with a free plugin. So you can also watch that video to enable the free order notification, WhatsApp order notifications. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.